In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in MetaTrader 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter so you can connect your trading account quickly and confidently. First, open MetaTrader 4 on your computer. Give it a moment to load. Once you're on the main screen, look to the very top left and click on File. This opens a small menu with several options. From that list, select Login to Trade Account. This is the doorway to connecting your live or demo account to the platform. A login window will appear asking for three things: your login, your password, and your server. The login is your trading account number assigned by your broker. Type it carefully, as even a single incorrect digit will prevent access. Next, enter your trading password. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so check that caps lock isn't accidentally on, and make sure you're using the password specifically for trading, not a separate client portal password your broker might provide. For server, choose the exact server name your broker gave you. This often includes the broker's name followed by a label like Demo or Real, and it must match the type of account you're logging into. If you're unsure, check the welcome email or your broker's client area for the correct server name. Selecting the wrong server is one of the most common reasons for failed logins. If you're on a personal device and want MT4 to remember your credentials, you can choose to save the password in this window. Only do this on a trusted computer. When everything is entered correctly, click Login. Watch the bottom right corner of the platform. The connection status will update within a few seconds. Green and red bars with changing numbers indicate you're connected. If you see a message like invalid account or no connection, double-check your account number, password, and that the server selection exactly matches what your broker provided. Ensure you're online and that any firewall or antivirus isn't blocking MT4. You can also open the terminal panel and check the Journal tab for detailed messages about the login attempt. When you're successfully signed in, you'll see your account listed under Accounts in the Navigator panel, and quotes will begin updating. That's all there is to it. Open MetaTrader 4, go to File, choose Login to Trade Account, enter your account number, password, and the correct server, then click Login. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be ready to trade.